Near Geneva, the final preparations are being made for the start of the biggest experiment ever, one that can probe the secrets of the cosmos. The Large Hadron Collider, or the LHC, is the latest and the most powerful in a series of particle accelerators that over the last 70 years have allowed us to penetrate deeper into the heart of matter. You can think of it as a time machine too, recapturing conditions not seen since the birth of the universe almost 14 billion years ago. 10,000 physicists and engineers from 100 countries are working on the £4.4 billion machine, which is a triumph of engineering, of electronics and construction. The particle beams in the new collider circulate in a tunnel 17 miles long, about 100 meters below the ground on the Swiss-French border. Collisions between the particles take place in huge detectors. One of them is so vast that it would only just fit inside Westminster Abbey. These, if you like, are the eyes of the LHC. They will study tens of millions of collisions every second, generating a spray of hundreds or even thousands of particles like a subatomic firework display. The LHC will help test an idea put forward by the British physicist Professor Peter Higgs, among others, who have an explanation of why different types of fundamental particle that make up matter have very different masses, or to put it another way, why every atom in your body, and everything else for that matter, contains particles that have weight and aren't as insubstantial as light. Some predict this giant machine will see a slew of hitherto undiscovered particles, often called supersymmetric particles or sparticles. Perhaps it will find evidence for string theory, the idea that the universe is ultimately made of tiny vibrating pieces of string, each about a millionth of a billionth of a billionth of a billionth of a centimetre long. For the first time in decades, we've built a machine that exceeds our powers of prediction. New insights are sure to come to help answer the biggest questions of all about the origins of stuff and the fundamental forces that shape the cosmos.